INEC don reject PDP NEC meeting notice over signature irregularity. Welcome country people to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop update. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) don raise concerns over the notice wey the People's Democratic Party (PDP) submit as e concern im planned 100th National Executive Committee meeting wey dem schedule for June 30, 2025. Dis development so na for one letter wey dem date June 13, 2025, and when they address to the party chairman, and they titled Notice of 100th National Executive Committee Meeting of the People's Democratic Party. The letter, when news reporters get on Tuesday, na there the commission come state say the submitted notice e fail to comply with a regulation. They come cite specifically Part 2, 1, 2, and 3 of the 2022 regulations and guidelines for political parties. And they say that place there talk, say any notice from any party, say na both the national chairman and the national secretary of the party na go sign am. INEC for the letter when the acting secretary Matru Aminu e sign, he advised the PDP to ensure proper compliance with the rules moving forward. The commission, according to the letter, draw your attention, say the notice when you send to us, e no comply with the requirement of Part 2, 12.3 of the Regulations and Guidelines for Political Parties 2022. That notice provide, say the national chairman and national secretary of the party na go jointly sign the notice of convention, congress, conference, or meeting and submit same to the commission. Be guided. And so the INEC letter to PDP come read. The development dey come after the PDP for one letter when the date May 30th come formally inform the electoral body of intention to hold the landmark NEC meeting for a national secretariat for Abuja. The notice na only the party acting national chairman Umar Damagum na sign am. E dey in accordance with INEC 21-day notification requirement for political meetings of that magnitude. According to party insiders, the June 30 meeting e dey expected to address several long-standing internal issues wey include the controversy wey dey surround the office of the national secretary, ratification of recent zonal congresses, and review of key committee reports. The PDP don dey plagued by internal quarrel before and after the 2023 general elections. Disputes dem dey across zones, particularly for Rivers, the South-South, and the Southeast regions, along with disagreements over leadership roles. E don continue to deepen tensions within the party. The North Central Zonal Congress come recently add to the party list of unresolved issues. These challenges don lead to repeated postponements of the NEC meeting 6 times. In total, na con dey stall critical decisions and e con dey prompt defections of key figures such as Delta State Governor Sheriff Oberewori and Akwa Ibom Governor Umo Eno to the ruling All Progressives Congress. Country people, this situation when INEC don't reply to the People's Democratic Party so, e don dey keep people dey talk say INEC dey team up with Wike, and the ruling party to frustrate PDP so that PDP no go even fit dey prepared to contest the 2027 election. Say the National Secretary in question, e dey obvious say e na Wike stooge for the party there, and of course e dey work against the interest of the party. That na why the concerned stakeholders dem dey make sure say they sideline the National Secretary, Senator Anyanwu. But Supreme Court, e don make am clear say na Anyanwu na be the National Secretary of the PDP, and that na only for convention na they go fit remove am. Otherwise, anything wey the People's Democratic Party do without Anyanwu input, e no go fit stand the test of the time. Maybe that lifeline wey the Anyanwu get na dey be these issues when they bring matters arising for the PDP. And the acting chairman, Damagun, he know very well the rule. So why he still go sign a letter to INEC, without the secretary, when he knows say INEC go remind them of wetin the rules talk, and also about the court judgment when he give the National Secretary the power to remain as the National Secretary. So how they want to solve this stalemate? If Anyanwu refuse to sign any letter because he go quote say they don undermine am before, and as such, he won't frustrate them back, wetin go come play out at the end of the day. So na very dicey situation now they play out now for the People's Democratic Party and the Independent National Electoral Commission. Who go first blink? If this one are the game plan, like people they believe, of the Wike group, now we say PDP don dey doomed, and this also go fit affect them for the election and after the election, because anywhere they contest without the input of the National Secretary, when the court recognize, e go backfire. Country people, how una see this challenge from the Independent National Electoral Commission?